Hi, Awesome Osprey kindergarten parents. This is Mrs. St. Andre, and I'm here to show you how to access your math assignments on Think Central. So here is our math page. Remember, every day you do an assignment from Think Central, and then you can pick one choice for extra help or review. So what you want to do is you're going to click here to class link, log in. I've already logged in as a student, and you are going to find Think Central. So let me move my picture over here because it was hiding behind me. You're going to log in. The computer's going to, from ClassLink, will automatically log you into your Think Central account. And you're going to click Things to Do. Now, I have gone ahead and I have assigned the entire Chapter 5. So what is going to, but maybe it didn't come out as organized as possible, which I do apologize for. That's just something that happens with the computer. So what you want to do is you can go to 5.1, that's Chapter 5, Lesson 1. And PMT is for your personal math trainer. If there's something that says ISE, that's the lesson. So that's the instruction. If your student, if you need an ISE, you can click ISE, and that will be the lesson that teaches your student. And PMT, that is the personal math trainer or the practice. So think of ISE for instruction and PMT for practice. And you just want to find out, it makes sense to start 5.1. That's the first lesson. If you've done that one, the next thing to do is 5.2. If you're having a hard time completing that, and there is an ISE or an instruction for 5.2, it'll be in here. I just apologize that it's not an organized manner. It's just the way that the website organized it after I assigned it. If you have any questions for me on what to do, please reach out to me. If you, this is here for your support so your student can keep pace. If you go ahead, then your student will be ahead. Not a problem. If you don't get everything done, that's okay. We can support your student when they come back into school. This is here for your reference, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Have an awesome Osprey day.